Managing your laundry supplies. Master your evenings. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important part of our evening routine, doing the laundry. Specifically, we will focus on managing laundry supplies. Understanding this can make the process of doing your laundry much more efficient and stress-free. First things first, let's get to know the essential laundry supplies. The most common ones are 1. Laundry detergent. It is a type of cleaning agent that is used to clean your clothes. 2. Fabric softener. This is used to make your clothes feel softer and smell fresh. 3. Bleach. This is used to whiten your white clothes or remove tough stains. 4. Stain removers. These are specialized cleaning products designed to tackle specific types of stains. 5. Dryer sheets. These are used in the dryer to eliminate static cling, reduce wrinkles, and give your clothes a nice fragrance. Next, let's discuss how to keep track of your supplies. Regular inventory checks are important. This simply means you regularly check what you have and what you need to buy. Make a list of the supplies you have, note the quantities, and update this list every time you use something or buy new supplies. This can help you avoid running out of essential items in the middle of a laundry session. Storage is a crucial part of managing laundry supplies. Keep your supplies in a dry, cool place and ensure they are easily accessible. It's helpful to keep all your supplies together, such as in a cabinet or on a shelf in your laundry room. Remember, safety first. If you have children or pets at home, make sure the supplies are stored out of their reach to avoid any accidents. Lastly, let's talk about how to economize your laundry supplies. It's essential to use the right amount of each supply. Using more than needed won't make your clothes any cleaner or softer but will cause you to run out of supplies quicker. Always follow the usage instructions on the product labels. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to managing your laundry supplies. By understanding your supplies, keeping track of what you have, storing them properly, and using them efficiently, you can make your evening laundry routine much smoother and easier. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, managing your laundry supplies well is the first step to effective laundry chores. Happy laundering, everyone!